Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi, Assistant Professor in RPIIT Pharmacy Karnal, and today my topic is about anthelminetics, anti-helminths drugs. As the name depicts, it is a anti-helminths means bombs. So the drugs depict that the drugs which are used to kill or expel or maintain the growth of worms in our body are called anti-helminths drugs. There are approximately 350 species in our body or in human or in we can say GIT tract which causes different types of disease in our body, and their primary host are human, which infects our GIT tract, especially our colon. So to remove out or to kill the worms are very important for our body to prevent from any disease. They are more common in developing countries, and they can derive their foods and blood and nutrition from human body. So they harm the host by depriving him of food, and it causes blood loss or injury to organs or many other disease. And this is the classification of different types of worms or helminths. We can say they are comprised of two major groups, that is nemohelminths, platyhelminths, that is nematodes, that is roundworms, or platyhelminths are the flatworms, and they are subdivided into two groups, that is trematode and cystode. Trematodes are flukes shapes and cystode are tapeworm. Tapeworms means large tapering worms or long worms. So their classes are tapeworms, flukes, and roundworms. The examples of tapeworms are Taenia solium, Taenia saginata, and main example of flukes that is trematode are Cystosoma Phocalia hepatica, and the roundworms are Ascaris lumbricoides, Nectar onchocerca, and Americanus. These are the examples and the classes of the helminths. And this is the chemical classification of drugs that we are used for killing or stop the growth of worms, that is vermicidal or vermistatics. The classification has piperazine derivatives of their chemical structure. Examples are diethylcarbamine, carbamazine citrate, piperazine citrate, and benzimidazole derivatives are albendazole, mebendazole, thiabendazole, and the heterocyclic structures of quinolines and isoquinolines. Examples are oxynaquine, quine, and praziquantel, and the natural products are ivermectin, and the amide, that is salicylanide or nicotinamide. So these are the drugs which are used for killing the worms in our body or even in our GIT tracts. Thank you.